Through Farming Connect Horticulture, we produced a supplier standard for market gardeners and smaller growers in Wales to give them the assurance to supply into wholesale, in particular into Castle Howell, so as not to compromise the BRC standard accreditation that they have. The supplier standard ensures legal compliance, it encourages best practice, and it gives confidence for the grower and the supplier of that produce.
So we started growing on this site about 4 years ago, and this year we started to supply into the growers' standards through Castle Howell with the help of Farming Connect as well. So we've adjusted the site slightly to accommodate that, so making sure we've got distinct packing areas for the veg that's going into the schools compared to our other customers. We've also had to think about adjusting our crop plan, making sure that we keep foods that are allergens really separate from other crops. We do use knives to harvest all of the produce, and from doing the audit with Malcolm, that was one thing we really looked at, and we've created a special knife record sheet as well. We've got a protocol around that where we can say what action we've taken to minimise the risk of that knife coming into the food chain then. It's been really useful for us in our organic certification preparation to have the grower standard behind us. For us, it's been really invaluable having a solid market. We've known at the start of the year exactly how much crop we need to produce week on week, and that's given us a lot of security.
We are growing fruit and vegetables on 2 acres out of a 100-acre ex-dairy farm, providing produce into the Welsh Veg into Schools project, as well as schools and care homes locally across the county. The standards, I think, has provided us with a really huge advantage. I mean, all of the stuff that we're recording under the standard are things that we would have been recording anyway. But what the standard has done is provide us with a huge number of templates, so we haven't had to develop our own. The other thing that it has done is really made us think through the process in a very methodical way, which again has just really helped with time saving and developing those resources. So Farming Connect Horticulture have been absolutely key in helping us through this process. You know, the whole process has been made really smooth and easy. It hasn't felt like a burden at all, to be honest, just really straightforward. Yeah, everybody's been great, very supportive. The standard, I think, is really key for public procurement in particular, because it provides the customers with an assurance that the growers are upholding really high standards. It's something everybody can look at and understand. You know, and it provides the growers themselves as well, I think, with that peace of mind and assurance. They know that they're doing things properly.
For stakeholders who'd like to get in touch about Welsh Veg in Schools, please contact Food Sense Wales. And for wholesalers who'd like to know more about the supplier standard, please contact ourselves at Farming Connect Horticulture. Thank you.